Hello friends, in today's video we present how to remember for a longer period of time the top 7 memory tips to become a topper. Friends, are you tired of feeling stressed out during the exam season? Do you want to know the secrets of becoming a topper and scoring good marks in your exams? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm sharing the top 7 tips which will help you to remember for a longer period of time and can help you to become a topper in exams. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first step is use chunking. Chunking is a method of breaking down the information into smaller chunks that are easier to remember. For example, instead of trying to remember a phone number as one long string of digits, it's easier to remember if it's broken down into chunks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Friends, the second tip is use visualization techniques. Visualization techniques are a powerful memory tool that can help you to remember the information by creating mental images. For example, you can imagine yourself walking through a house and putting objects in different rooms to help you to remember a particular list of items. Friends, the third tip is use technology. There are various apps and softwares available that can help with memory retention. Some examples include flashcard apps, memory games, and spaced repetition software. Friends, the next step is mind mapping. Mind mapping is a visual method of organizing and representing the information. It helps to create connections between different pieces of information, thus making it easier to remember. Friends, the next step is use elaboration. Elaboration is a method of making a connection between new information and your existing knowledge. For example, if you are trying to remember a new word, then you can relate it to a similar word that you already know. Friends, the next step is use spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is a method of scheduling the intervals between studying. It helps to keep the information fresh in the mind, thus making it more likely to be remembered for a longer period of time. And friends, the seventh tip is self-testing. Self-testing is an effective way to improve memory retention. Quizzing yourself on the information which you have learned can help to reinforce the study material in your memory. Friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed the small video on how to remember for a longer period of time the top 7 memory tips to become a topper. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. And do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.